Hello, remote family. Happy Thursday. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, as always, I am back with another work from home job, and this one is also 100% a no phone job, and it doesn't require any degree. So, the opening I have is with this company, Natera, and they are looking for clinical data entry operator. So let's get into the job responsibilities. You will be creating new orders on laboratory inventory management system and perform necessary checks to ensure proper accessioning, accession samples with high accuracy and efficiency, accurately enter patient data into the laboratory inventory management system. You will ensure that the information in LIMS is up to date. You will scan test requisition forms and attached paperwork and ensure that all paperwork belong to patient and upload to case. Protect patient health information at all times to ensure compliance with HIPAA and privacy policies. Perform safe and proper handling of samples. Maintain tidiness of workstation and lab. Maintain familiarity with standard operating procedure and quality standards determined by the clinical laboratory. Perform safe and proper handling of tools provided to open packages and kit boxes and sort packages at dock upon arrival of packages and bring packages up to the lab. So this role works with PHI on a regular basis, both in paper and electronic form, and having access to various technologies to access PHI in order to perform the job. Employee must complete training related to HIPAA, PHI privacy, general policies and procedure, compliance training, and security training as soon as possible, but not later than the first 30 days. Must maintain a current status of Natera training requirements and performs other duties as assigned. The qualification required a high school diploma or equivalent, 0 to 1 year of industry related experience, computer knowledge, and a previous data entry experience is preferred. Apart from that, the knowledge and skills required are typing speed of 45 words per minute, a good oral and written communication skills, effective critical thinking, ability to perform required duties with high degree of accuracy and attention to detail, and a positive attitude and ability to work well with others. So the salary range for the job role is around $22 an hour. So that's it. This was a job details, and this is 100% a no phone job. So if you are interested, please apply for the same. The work schedule will be from Tuesday to Saturday, and that will be rotational shifts, either day shift from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. or from 3:30 p.m. to 12 a.m. So I will share the link below in the description so that you can apply for this. You will see the application button over here. So that's it from today's video, and I hope so you enjoyed today's video. And if you're looking for a work from home opportunity, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home opportunity videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day.